Hey you guys, good morning. It is 9:50 and we are at Petco dropping Caesar off to get his haircut because he needs it badly. And then from here we're gonna run a couple of errands and then just start our Saturday. Can't wait for tonight to see Avatar. I think I'm gonna get the iced sugar cookie latte, so that should be really good. I'm excited. Do you want a cookie?
Hi, thanks so much for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a venti soy chai?
Venti soy chai. All right. And is this going to be hot or iced?
Hot.
All right, just want to check. What else for you?
And can I get a grande iced sugar cookie latte?
Sorry, what was that?
The grande iced sugar cookie latte. Here we go.
Hi.
Back to the mall to get Matthew's glasses. Hopefully. No, we should. Lens crafters. We literally are coming to this mall for this.
It's right by the entrance.
Trying to find a gift for Matthew's sister. She doesn't even have a record player. We'd have to get her a record player before even getting her a record.
Oh.
Chick-fil-A time. I'm excited. Since yesterday you've been wanting Chick-fil-A. He doesn't have any glasses on so he can't see anything. Chick-fil-A. Tuesday morning adventures. At Tuesday morning, not Tuesday morning. Cute. Look at that big old boot. You're gonna leave me? You're rude. All the cute stuff. Where are we gonna look in the other side anyways? Home decor. This is cute. Is that a Christmas one? No. This is a Christmas one though. I feel like at this point I should just be looking for Valentine's Day Happy Planner. There's always Happy Planner here.
$6.99.
That's not bad.
The princess is one.
I don't really like, oh look, there's a Faith one right here. $2.99. That's actually really cheap. This one was one of my favorites too. I enjoyed them. And that is too. There's Happy Planner. Oh, that book is good. That's cute.
Did I tell you from when this covers?
Huh?
Oh, is this undated?
If it's undated, then it won't say. It should say then undated, but if it doesn't.
It does actually.
Oh, look, that's Erin Condren. They still have that at the store.
There's your pen.
Yeah, it's cute. Petco. Picking up Caesar. He's gonna look so cute, hopefully. I don't know if you can tell, but I just napped for like, how long was it? Like 2 hours, Matthew? 2 hours. I was so tired for some reason.
It was longer than 2. You slept for like 3.
Like 3 hours, and I usually don't nap, but I was so tired. And we like went out this morning to take Caesar to get his haircut and then just run all our errands, but I was exhausted, and we're gonna go watch a movie tonight, so it was like perfect that I fell asleep. If I have makeup around my eyes, I actually put mascara on to try to look like nicer for you all. Not for you, Matthew, but for the vlog. And we're eating right now. This is what I'm having right now. It's just like a salad that Matthew made me. It's so good. And Matthew's having the same thing over there. And we're watching YouTube. So yeah, just a little update before we go to the movies. Downtown.
Got the lights. traffic. Look at all this traffic, everybody.
Kinda, sorta, almost.
All the traffic, everybody. All the.
It's a little scary. Freaking children. Didn't bring my camera in, but this is downtown San Antonio. This is the River Center, and over there is the River Walk.
We'll go down and get a little bit more of it later.
It's cute. It's movie theater. I'll have to send this to Natasha. Hey guys, what is up? So we just got back home from the movies. Avatar was so good. I'm not gonna give away anything because it was just so good. Just go watch it. It was so good. I shed a little tears. A little. It was quite a few. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I got a fun little something in the mail and I can't wait to show you all. I'm probably gonna record that video tomorrow. If not, sometime this week. I thought something was on my shirt. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog and get to rest because it is like currently 11:41. I have to edit this and yeah. So anyways, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.